Move this up like that. Give it something of an artistic look. What's up, Amazon KDP self-publishers? I'd pause here real quick. I want to show you how to create. Well, I want to show you right now what I'm going to do because it's pretty cool. I'm going to create something in front of you, something people have been asking me. I already made a video about this, but I haven't made a video about this particular trim size. I'm going to go to the book cover generator right quick. I'm going to scale myself down so I can show you something really cool. So first thing I want to do is choose 6.9. By default, it's at 6.9. Now what I want to do is create two book covers. One using the standard basic, get some images offline, public domain. I'm going to show you where you can source those. And the second part of this video, I want to show you how to do it with AI. If you're an elite member, you have AI. If you have AI, then you can create this with very little work. Okay, so of course, this here is the front, this here is the back. First, we need some images, right? So where I like to go is Pixabay. I'm going to create a cigar journal book, right? Book cover. And I looked up cigar. I looked under illustrations, and I made sure that the color was transparent background, right? And we got some illustration. We got a gorilla with a cigar. We got a lighter. We got the skull. We got this angry man. We got this gangs of New York looking fellow over here. We got a gangster. We got Churchill. Well, looks like Churchill. Another Churchill. I guess he smoked a lot of cigars, him and his scotch, right? Anyways, I want to go with this right over here. 1 second. Right here, click on this image right here. I'm going to free download. And I'm going to download this. Download right here. Okay. Now I want to go back to my cover here. And I need to choose a color for the background. So right here, I'm going to go with, I'm going to upload this image. So we got this cigar right here. And real quick, I'm going to add some text to the front. So where is the text button? Right here. I'm going to put in cigar and cigar journal and click plus cigar journal. Keep it right up here. Now you got to be careful with the boundary. You want to be within bounds, right? So I love this font right off the bat. What is this? Playfair Display. Playfair Display looking good. If I want to, I can make this into an outline. So I can make this white and increase the size on that if I want. So I'll leave that as is right now. I'm going to take this. Maybe I should make it, maybe I'm going to break it down like that and increase the size on that. Cigar journal. Maybe I should make the whole thing black. I like that a lot. Okay, cigar journal. Like that. Bring that down just a bit. Very basic. And I'm going to add another text. Again, just to show you how it's done. Write in all your cigar history. Click plus on that. Take that and put that towards the back here. This is the back side. This is way too big. I'm going to shrink it down and like that. Okay. Let's see if we can find some background. Let me go with this one. Let's download this and let's add that. It's way too big, which is good. Here we go. Like that. Move this up like that. Give it something of an artistic look. Okay, so we got our book cover. Very simple. And that's one way to do it, using just Pixabay and the drag and drop features within. Now I want to use all of the AI, right? So I'm going to get up here, okay? First thing you got to do is make sure you get the right trim size. So your standard journal low content book is usually 6x9, unless it's some special situation I can't even think of. So it's 6x9. Got to put in the correct page count because that is going to affect your spine. Really important, your spine, this white section right here. Okay, now I want to get down here, AI book cover generation. I want to put in, let me put in cigar journal. Okay, we're not done though. I want to bake text into image, text top, cigar. And down here, I can put in the author name if I want, but my author name, but I'm going to put in journal. Just that's it. Nice and simple. Okay, edit current cover image, edit cover. Okay, let's see what comes out. And there we go. We got our cigar journal. Now, like before, we write something in the back, something to the effect like record your cigar experiences and maybe show 2 or 3 images of inside of the interior. Actually, just one image because all the templates are sorry. If you have one template for your cigar diary or cigar journal low content book, that's all you need to show because it's a repeating page. So there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you create it. Once you're done, you scroll to the bottom here and you download as a PDF full cover. Okay, very simple. Let me know your thoughts down below. And like always, let me. I want to know. I want to know if you made it to the end of this video. How many would you say? How many book covers have you created using Bose Pause? Tell me if it's 0. Tell me if it's 100. I want to know. Also, let me know if you used AI and what were your results. Thank you very much. Be good. Take care and have a wonderful day.